Welcome back. This video is going to help you to look at the Android applications in the top view. This top view visualization will help you a lot whenever you are doing your projects, because you are doing your projects based on prompt. In order to provide prompt, this top view visualization will help you to give the prompts in an easy way. Suppose if you take any application, whenever you open your application, the first screen you are going to look is home screen. Usually here we are calling it as screens. In websites we call it as pages. Here we call it them as screens. See this screen, home screen. Inside this home screen we have about contact. When I click on contact, instead of this home screen, place about screen. When I click about contact, instead of this screen, place contact screen. This is how, if you look at this, your application globally from the top view, your application contains a set of screens. This visualization you should have in order to understand the application better, and this helps a lot in giving the prompt. So as we said previously, if you had the top view visualization about your app, now you need to understand how to manage this app from the top view. See, in order to manage, whenever you open your home screen, the URL that we are going to use is wisdomers.in/home. This is going to display home screen. If I click on about, wisdomers.in/about, this is going to display about screen. If I click on contact, wisdomers.in/contact, contact screen is going to be displayed. So if you want to manage your application, there is some, if you look at your application from the top view, management will be very easy. And you need to do this from the top view, this management, how to provide the URLs, which URL is using to display which screen. And from the global view, there are other things also. Suppose I want to assign a global theme to all the screens. I am following dark theme. So all the screens has to follow the same theme. And if I want to globally, I want to mention, suppose whatever the text I written, if I written the text about us in English, it has to be displayed left to right. If I displayed text about us in Arabic, it has to be displayed right to left. Like that, there are so many things to be managed globally about your application. This top level, global level management, in order to do that very flexible way, Flutter has provided a class called Material App class. From our previous videos, we know that class means we call it as widget. So Material App widget. This is the first top level widget which we are going to use in order to do this global level management. From there, we are going down to display our screens and develop our screens. So this top level understanding will help you a lot in our next classes whenever we use Material App and start building our simple applications to complex ones. Hope you had a good clarity about how to look at the applications from the top view and what is meant by Material App. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.